Yo, what's good with y'all boys? Today we got REXV2 preset. Just join the Discord in the bio, and it'll be in the ilyyjasiah preset channel. And yeah, so I'm probably not gonna edit this video because I'm trying to get it out. This is the preset for winner circle for my setup. I'm gonna play. Gonna play his shit, with his vocals and whatnot.
Turn my shade up, swing to get serious, he hop out that truck. You gotta get serious, he talking about them bucks. Read in the industry, grow up in the trust. Yo ass be a memory, you walk up on us. You gotta be kidding me, talking to us. You gotta be quiet, don't talk out of hush. When my shit up, why don't he don't gotta rush? Boy, use a girl, man, better pick up your nuts. But use a girl, man, better tell her what's up. 26 to the plane, gotta run this shit up. Down bad with my man, do shit out of luck. Was showing us all to my mom as a kid. Said rest now you big, hard work, not no look. Shut up, jump, okay, I go cool with a piece of that dump. My nigga come through, leave my hand on run. Been fucking it, like I run up your money, my nigga, you wanna like show my own hair, all these niggas like trauma.
Alright, so that's Rex shit with his preset, and then I don't think he has ad-libs in that song. I'm not sure, I don't know, but I added these filter libs because I've heard him use them before in like songs, so I just added some libs of my own, so y'all can have these. So I'm gonna play it. I'm just gonna play it because I only one lib, so this will probably be it.
When it get serious, how about a truck? If the nigga serious, he's talking about them bucks. We ain't the idiots, they go up in the trust. Yo, why be a memory, you walk up on us. You gotta be kidding me, talking to us. You gotta be quiet, don't talk out of hush. Want my shit up, why don't we don't gotta rush? Boy, you think remember that pick your nuts. Boy, you think remember that tell them what's up. Who sit to the plane, gotta run this shit up. Down bad with my mans, we was shit out of luck. We're showing that something, my mama's a kid. Said right now you big, her running all up. Okay, I go cool with a pump. Is it that dumb, oh nigga, come to leave me shit on the front. Be fucking it, tell it go, my nigga, you running like Solomon.
Alright, so that's the preset with everything on it. I'm gonna play the raws with nothing on it.
Y'all, fleet. Turn my seat up. When it get serious, how about a truck? If the nigga serious, he's talking about them bucks. We ain't the industry, go up in the trust. Yo, why be a memory, walk up on us. You gotta be kidding me, talking to us. You gotta be quiet, don't talk out of hush. Want my shit up, why don't we don't gotta rush? Boy, you think remember that pick your nuts. Boy, you think remember to tell them what's up. So sit to the plane, gotta run this shit up. Down bad with my mans, we was shit out of luck. We're showing that something, my mama's a kid. Said right now you big, her running all luck. Okay, I go cool with a pump. Is it that dumb? Oh nigga, come to leave me shit on the front. Be fucking it, tell it go, my nigga, you.
Alright, so that's the raws. I'm gonna play it with the preset on just the main by itself. No ad-libs. Well, there's really no ad-libs, but it's whatever.
When it get serious, how about a truck? If the nigga serious, he's talking about them bucks. We ain't the idiots, they go up in the trust. Yo, why be a memory, you walk up on us. You gotta be kidding me, talking to us. You gotta be quiet, don't talk out of hush. Want my shit up, why don't we don't gotta rush? Boy, you think remember that pick your nuts. Boy, you think remember to tell them what's up. So sit to the plane, gotta run this shit up. Down bad with my mans, we was shit out of luck. We're showing that something, my mama's a kid. Said right now you big, her running all up. Okay, I go cool with a pump. Is it that dumb? Oh nigga, come to leave me.
Alright, so that's the main preset with the preset on. I'm gonna play the lib. There's only like 3 libs in this bitch, but that's whatever. It's just filter libs. Fuck. They sound like they're actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. I use these in like most of my songs. I'm not gonna lie. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Join the Discord for the presets. They're gonna be in the Discord in the bio. Thank y'all for watching. That's gonna be it.